It's against the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. You don't have to pay debt collectors.
Oh, wow.
Tons of false information in this video. Although I'm sure there was a lot of really great intentions here, the majority of this video is false. It's not a violation of the Fair Debt Collections Practices Act for a debt collector to purchase a debt. Now, any debt buyer that does purchase that debt, you do owe, if they have the proper validation to collect the debt, among other things. So a debt collection can be collected by a third party, and it can be owned by a third party, and they can garnish your wages, and they can file a judgment against you. So you do not want to ignore a debt collections. So here's what you can do. If you have a collection on your credit report, immediately request validation. That's essentially requesting proof. You want to see an original contract. You want to see your transaction history. If you have a repossession, there's a lot more to it. I'll make another video on that topic. But you do need to do this request in writing if you want the protections under the law. If that collection agency chooses not to respond, they choose not to provide you with that validation, then they can no longer attempt to collect that debt. If they attempt to collect in the form of a letter requesting payment or a phone call, an email, some sort of a communication, you now have an FDCPA violation. But if you're interested in learning more, click to follow, and we have tons more videos where this came from.